Hello, fellow testers. We are diving into the world of ISTQB certification today. Imagine a gold standard that opens doors to better job prospects and higher salaries. But how do you go about it? Worry not, we've got you covered. In the description of this video, you'll find a link to detailed study materials, questions you'll encounter in the exam, answer that demystify complex concepts. It's all there. So if you are passionate about software testing and quality assurance, you have come to the right place. Why should you care about ISTQB certification, you ask? Well, the International Software Testing Qualification Boards, or ISTQB, is the gold standard in the realm of software testing. Its certification is recognized in over 130 countries, with almost 1 million certifications issued by mid-2023. This is a pretty big deal. ISTQB certification is more than just a nice additional to your resume. It's a powerful tool that can open the door to better job prospects. Employees know the value of a certified software tester, and this certification can give you the edge in a competitive job market. And let's not forget the potential for a higher salary. Who wouldn't want that? But beyond the career advantages, ISTQB certification is about mastering your craft. It's about understanding the principles and practices of software testing and being able to apply them effectively in your work. It's about being part of a global community of professionals who are passionate about quality assurance. Now, let's bring this discussion to life with some success stories. Meet Alex and Jane, two software testers who decided to take the leap and pursue ISTQB certification. After intense study, they both passed the ISTQB exam. Alex landed a job with a leading software company, while Jane was promoted to a senior position in her organization. They are living proof that ISTQB certification can lead to exciting career opportunities. Their journey, however, was not without challenges. The ISTQB exam is rigorous, testing both theoretical knowledge and practical skills. But Alex and Jane were determined. They used their resources available to them, including the ISTQB Questions channel and free training videos. They joined the ISTQB community, sharing their doubts and experience and learning from others. Their hard work and dedication paid off. So why should you care about ISTQB certification? Because it's a stepping stone to a rewarding career in software testing. Because it's a chance to learn, grow, and excel in your profession. Because it's an opportunity to join a global community of like-minded professionals. Their journey inspires us all. ISTQB stands for International Software Testing Qualification Board. This might sound like a mouthful, but it's a beacon in the world of software testing. A global network of accredited training providers, members boards, and exam providers, ISTQB is the leading vendor natural professional certification scheme in software testing. So what does it do exactly? ISTQB offers a range of certification for software testers, catering to different levels of expertise. This ranges from the foundation level, which is the first rank on the ladder, to the advanced and expert levels for those who want to delve deep into the field. Each level is designed with a specific focus, allowing you to pick up relevant skills and knowledge as you progress. Now, if you are new to the world of software testing, you might be wondering where to start. The answer is simple. The foundation level is the ideal starting point for beginners. Here, you'll learn the basic concept, terminology, and best practices that are pivotal in the software testing industry. Once you've got the basics down, you can choose to further your knowledge and skills by taking on the advanced and expert levels. These levels delve deep into different aspects of software testing, allowing you to specialize in areas that you are passionate about. But remember, as with any journey, it's important to take one step at a time. Start with the first step, the foundation level, and before you know it, you'll be well on your way to becoming a certified software testing professional. But before you wrap things up, here's a little advice. Help yourself and others find this valuable information by following the link in the video description for learning the ISTQB Foundation Level questions. Spread the word and help others on their path to certification. Now let's talk about our secret weapon, the ISTQB Questions channel. This isn't just any channel, it's your go-to hub for acting the ISTQB exams. Imagine having a treasure trove of questions right at your fingertips, questions which cover the breadth and depth of the basic level exam version 4.0. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, it's not. It's real, and it's right here. But that's not all. This channel is more than just a question bank. It's a vibrant community of software testers from all over the world. Beginners and professionals alike, all on the same journey to ISTQB certification. Here you can find support, advice, and shared experiences. It's a place where you can learn, grow, and contribute, all while preparing for your ISTQB exam. And let's not forget the free learning videos. That's right, free. These are not your average, run-of-the-mill videos. They're comprehensive, engaging, with detailed explanation and original subtitles in 125 languages. Whether you are a newbie starting from scratch or an experienced tester looking to improve your skills, these videos will help you. The link is, of course, in the description. These resources are designed to help you prepare for the exam. But remember, they are only as effective as the effort you put into using them. So make the most of them. Dive deep into the question bank, watch the videos, and engage with the community. Remember, the ISTQB certification is not just about passing an exam. It's about mastering the art of software testing. It's about equipping yourself with the knowledge and skills to deliver quality software. And most importantly, it's about investing in your future. So what you are waiting for? Get started on your journey to ISTQB certification today. And remember, you are not alone. We are all in this together. Together, we will defeat ISTQB. Ready to dive deeper? It's time to dive into the vast ocean of ISTQB certification. Take the first step toward mastering the art of software testing by exploring the treasure trove of training materials on my ISTQB Questions channel. Just browsing playlists. These videos are designed to give you the knowledge and skills to successfully pass the certification exam. Categorized by topics and levels, these playlists offer a structured and efficient way to study. Whether you are a beginner just starting out or an experienced professional looking to upskill, there is a playlist for everyone. But wait, there is more. To stay updated with the latest video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll join a vibrant community of learners, all on a mission to conquer ISTQB certification. Remember, certification is an investment in your future. So embark on this exciting journey right now and discover a world of opportunities. See you in the next video.